Hi friends, welcome. Today we are looking at how can we move balance from our Polygon mainnet to BNB Smart chain. You can see that on the BNB Smart chain I do not have any BNB balance which is needed for gas fees there. I am using Voyager, which is by router protocol, to see if I can do this swap. This is not a sponsored video. I was doing my research and I came across this as a bridge. Though I have met the router guys in Singapore last year, and I do think they are a reliable bridge here for this transaction at the moment. So I'm going to try this swap using them. I can see over here, I know that you would say that, hey, Polygon network was already on my MetaMask, as you could see over here. So why are they adding it again? They are changing the network URL to something different than what MetaMask uses, which is Infura. So that's okay. I'm going to approve and switch it. It's going to be the same. The same thing will also happen for BSC, and which is also fine. I've selected Polygon as the source chain over here, and I've said I want to pay my fees in USDC. The good part about router is it lets you pay fees in multiple tokens. So I'm choosing to pay it in USDC for now. I'm saying let's move 25 USDC or say 30 USDC to BSC. Again, I've selected the chain here, and then I've said give them to me as BNB itself. So I've gone here and said give me BNB. It's showing me the conversion right here. Once I click swap, it will first need an approval on my MetaMask to spend USDC. By default, it's asking for infinite approval, but in crypto, I would never want to give anyone infinite approval. So after we approve this, MetaMask will ask me for a custom spending cap for this application. And since I'm transferring 30 USDC, I'm going to go to 35 as the approval because I also need to cover probably gas fees of 3.2, which they have mentioned, and I'm going to approve it. After they have the authority or the approval to take USDC from my Polygon chain, I think a transfer option will show up. That's exactly what's happening. I'm giving 30 USDC, I'm getting 0.12 BNB over here, and I can just confirm the swap to do this. So it looks pretty straightforward, except for the network additions, which we saw was an additional step. And here is the final approval to go ahead with this. I am giving the approval. Matic gas fees are just so low, I never look at them. So the expectation now is when I come to my Binance Smart chain over here, I should get some BNB balance, roughly 0.1. I wish they had something like a history over here, which I cannot see. I remember using just a while back the Cedar bridge, and that had given me a history, but I can't see it right now over here. So let's wait and see if our balance shows up over here. Okay, let's approve addition of BSC. Let's switch to what they have said. Let's check if the amount has been debited over here. Yes, USDC has been debited over here. So we can see USDC has gone out of the account, and that means we should now be seeing the converted balance any moment here. Again, I would have liked if they had a status which I could look at, but it doesn't look like there is an option over here. There is a support tab for sure. Oh, what is this Voyages? Is this history? Is that what they call history? Oh, this is what they call history, it seems. No, this is something else. By volume, by transaction. This is something totally else. Managed liquidity. Nope. Swap. That's where we are. I don't know why this always wants to add a new network. Dude, we already have it. Okay, it seems, oh, support is Discord. I'm not going to Discord for support. Ongoing transactions shows up here on dashboard. Phew, I was worried for a moment there. So we come to dashboard. Okay, after a moment, it loads the status, and this is pending. Okay, folks, it seems like we are doing a live demo here of how Voyager works. A little bit of anxiety, I must say, but let's see how this goes. So I'm going to wait another 10 minutes and record part 2 of this video where I'll show you if this transaction has gone through smoothly. Okay, friends, it seems Voyager has done this in roughly 10 minutes. So let's go back and see if we have the balance over here. And you can see in BSC, I can now see 0.12 BNB. If I say BNB Smart Chain, I can still see this balance over here. So this looks good, and I think it's a successful bridging, just a bit of anxiety while it happened. And if you want to avoid this anxiety, I think it's a good time. I can suggest you Obvious Wallet. Obvious Wallet is a smart contract wallet which also allows you to pay your gas fees in a token of your choice and play across all EVM chains without much hassles. It's a mobile app though. So if you want to try out Obvious Wallet, I'll give you a link in description. If you liked this video, please hit like.